Hello students, welcome to the next session of economics. Today we are doing again the chapter employment, growth, informalization and other issues. This we are doing under the topic employment in class 12 Indian economics books, and today we'll discuss about more about these terms. In the previous session of the class we have discussed about the workers and the definition of employment. Then we have discussed about the participation of people in employment, what is the ratio of men and women in the rural and urban area. After that we were discussing about the meaning of self-employed and hired workers and what is the difference and what is the percentage of their or their ratio in the employment. So we have understood this with the help of a diagram also. We have seen this diagram which was showing that in the country more than 50% people are self-employed. And then after we were discussing the topic employment in firms, factories and offices, like in which sector what is the what number of people are working, or what which sector is providing more number of employment to the population, primary, secondary or tertiary sector. So we have obtained that still there are the maximum number of people are working in the primary or agricultural sector. Somehow the secondary and tertiary sector, service sector improved after the independence and even in the last 30 years, but there is need of more income generation, or I can say the employment generation schemes or plans, so it can also provide more employment to the people from the farm sector. As we know, in our country there is a huge problem of disguised unemployment and the seasonal unemployment in the urban areas. Then after we were discussing about the distribution of those workers of primary, secondary and tertiary sector, like men and women in the rural and urban area. Trends in employment pattern was also important. Which sector, what I have discussed just, in which sector what is the percentage of people which are employed in primary, secondary and tertiary, and which sector is decreasing day by day and which one is increasing. So we have this data over here and we have discussed this point in the last class. Today our topic for discussion is your one of the very important topic, and the topic is your